under the curse. All right, YouTubes. We're heading out for a reach-in that's having issues. It's Monday afternoon. Niners barely squeaked by the Seahawks by the skin of their teeth. Their kicker couldn't hit the side of a barn, but so far they've kept that guy. I haven't heard a report they got rid of him. I'd have got rid of him, but we'll see. So we got, I don't know if it's a 2-door or a 3-door reach-in. It was giving them problems over the weekend, and they said, oh, don't come out, it's working. And then I got the text today going, yeah, come check it. So we'll go out here and see what's going on. And I'll bring you guys along. It's a short commute. We'll be coming down here, so let's scope it. I found some articles going, if it's freezing up on you or getting weird, you don't have it set right for what you're using it for. Because on my motorcycle, it never screws up. It works flawlessly on the bike, but there's always air moving over it. So I changed some settings on here so we can try and film in the head strap without it going sideways. Reformatted the SD card. Sometimes the cards get corrupt. So we're going to try this out and see how we make out. And I'll be honest with you, I hadn't had problems with it in the past too much. So got some settings changed on it, and we'll see if it will cooperate today. Ooh, looks like we got some Harleys at the brewery. Yeah, brah. I mean, yeah, brother. Oh yeah, Dyna Parade, brother. Dyna Parade, brother. I don't know about you guys, but dude, if I got some free time to go ride the bike, I sure as hell ain't parking it at the bar and drinking beers. I'm gonna go ride that son of a bitch. That's just me though. Not passing judgment. You do what you do. Just saying, if I got some free time on the bike, I'm riding. I'm in the seat and twisting the throttle. Just saying, just saying. All right, hey, that was a quick commute. We're here. Let's see, you probably know that guy. Oh, they're doing road work over here. So I gotta fix Chad's shit. I think I'm gonna come through right here and park on the backside. Yep. What they're doing is someone bought this restaurant right here. This one closed and someone bought it and they're changing stuff up. So I don't know if they're redoing the grease trap or what. There's Chad. There's Brad. Chad and Brad. I'm gonna park right here. There's the chiller over there that I wrenched on not too long ago for the winery. And we're gonna go look at this reach-in. Yeah, I was long-winded. Oh, Tippins is behaving. I still haven't put my fan blades away yet. I ordered some spare fan blades. I gotta put those away, and I got spare fan motors for the walk-in coolers. I need to put them in the drawers and then put these in my little blue clamshells. We'll get the knee pads going, I got the gloves going, and we'll grab the gauges and we'll get in there. Alright, there's the back of my unit. Battery's low, my testo. But I'm gonna put a piercing valve on there just to see where we're at. Charge-wise, it cools, it doesn't cool, it's doing weird shit. Let's see what our pressures look like. Alright, it's like I had suspected. So I got my bullet valve on so we could check with my probe. And there's our suction pressure, 3.4, minus 35 evaporator. It's definitely low on charge. What I could do is I could unplug it, blow what charge is left out of it. I could probably poke some a little bit of trace gas in there and sniff it out. Alright, we'll go ahead and chop some of this process tube off so I can get a Schrader sweated on there permanently. Rag. Wet rag special. Piece of you. Says, I want a piece of your ass. Okay. Well, that looks a little better. Alright, let's see how she does now. Alright, now I got some heat on my condenser, I can feel. When they're low on charge, it'll be ice cold. Now I got a little heat on the top return bends. Temperature's dropping. For the door switches on this, it has these magnetic switches. They're pretty cool. Dropping like a champ now. Now she's participating. It's the economy. This one's made in Guatemala. Yep. Made in Guatemala. I gotta find an evaporator coil for it. Not a bad little unit. These are nicer than the H.V.A.C units. They got some cool design stuff. They take the condensate water out of this to the head of the compressor, has a catch pan, and then off to the condensate loop. Ooh, aircon all day. All right, another R290 with the leaky evaporator. I got an access fitting put in there for now. Did the old gas and go on it just to get them by because I want to use it, and we're gonna see if I can find parts for that fridge. That one's made in Guatemala. Here's a bike trail. It's kind of nice. Yeah, made in Guatemala. We'll see if we can find some parts for that, find a coil, get them a price. And that's how I do those. I couldn't get a lot of video. They're working in there. They're making beers in there. So that's what's going on there. If you like the videos, hit the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe. And I will definitely check you guys out on the next one. I'm gonna try and get back on the live streams. It's just been busy. You know, I went on vacation and then had to play catch up. So the Fridays have been brutal. But I'm at the point now where I think we could probably do one this Friday coming up. So we'll see how we make out. Stay tuned. Oh, look at the clouds. Yeah, man. Oh, you guys know what you want to see on the way out.